Top 5 Best Budget Air Fryer. Best Smarter Picks for Smarter Kitchens. Number 5. Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT 9-in-1 Air Fryer. This air fryer doesn't just cook, it transforms your kitchen into a precision-powered culinary hub. Perfect for busy families, health-conscious cooks, and anyone craving crispy fries without the guilt, the Cosori 9-in-1 TurboBlaze delivers restaurant-quality results at home. With its PFAS-free ceramic coating, you get safer, non-stick performance that outlasts traditional Teflon models. The wide 90 degrees to 450 degrees Fahrenheit range and rapid TurboBlaze heating ensure even browning, whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or proofing dough. Reheat leftovers to crispy perfection or keep meals warm without drying them out. Compared to bulkier competitors, its sleek 6-quart capacity fits more while saving counter space. It's intuitive, efficient, and built for real life. Just note, the digital display can be tricky in direct sunlight. But for flavor, versatility, and peace of mind, this dark gray powerhouse sets a new standard. Your taste buds, and your schedule, will thank you. Number 4. CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer, compact and digital. Crispy, golden fries with 80% less oil, without the guilt? That's not a dream. It's what the CHEFMAN 2QT Mini Air Fryer delivers, every single time. Perfect for busy professionals, small kitchens, or anyone craving fast, healthier meals, this sleek black powerhouse packs serious tech into a space-saving design. Unlike bulky models, its compact footprint fits snugly on countertops, while the digital timer and built-in shake reminder ensure flawless results, no guesswork. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless, a stark contrast to cheaper air fryers that demand scrubbing. Whether you're reheating leftovers or whipping up crispy chicken tenders in minutes, it handles it all with quiet efficiency. Sure, it's ideal for 1 to 2 servings, so large families might need multiple batches. But for speed, simplicity, and consistently delicious outcomes, this mini marvel stands tall among its peers. Number 3. CHEFMAN Digital Air Fryer XL 10L with 17 presets. This isn't just another air fryer, it's your kitchen's Swiss Army knife. With 17 smart presets, the CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus does it all: air fry, roast, dehydrate, bake, even rotisserie whole chickens. Perfect for busy families craving crispy fries and healthy jerky without cluttered countertops. Its massive 10L capacity fits a 5-pound chicken or 2 trays of cookies, way bigger than most single-function rivals. The intuitive touchscreen glides between modes, just tap and go. A large, easy-view window lets you monitor progress without losing heat, while auto shutoff ensures peace of mind. Cleanup? Non-stick and dishwasher-safe parts make it effortless. Sure, it needs a bit of counter space, and dehydrating takes longer than a dedicated unit, but that's the trade-off for true versatility. For flavor-packed meals with half the oil and zero guesswork, this powerhouse delivers. Number 2. Instant Pot VORTEX Plus 6QT 6-in-1 Air Fryer. Crispy, golden fries without a single drop of oil. Welcome to the future of guilt-free frying. The Instant Pot 6QT VORTEX Plus Air Fryer isn't just another countertop gadget, it's a 6-in-1 culinary powerhouse from the brand that revolutionized home cooking. Perfect for busy parents, health-conscious foodies, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home, this stainless steel marvel air fries, broils, dehydrates, roasts, reheats, and bakes, all with rapid, even heat. Unlike bulky, single-function air fryers, the VORTEX Plus delivers consistent crispness while its dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. Whether you're whipping up crispy chicken wings or reviving last night's pizza, every bite feels fresh and satisfying. It's compact enough for small kitchens yet spacious for family meals. Just note, larger roasts may require rotating halfway for optimal browning. With smart design and trusted Instant Pot reliability, this isn't just cooking, it's culinary confidence, redefined. Number 1. Ninja AF150 XL Air Fryer, 5.5 QT, 5-in-1. Crispy, golden wings in under 20 minutes, without the guilt. Meet the Ninja XL Air Fryer, your kitchen's new multitasker. Perfect for busy families, meal preppers, or anyone craving restaurant-quality results at home. With a generous 5.5-quart capacity, it easily fits 3 pounds of wings, that's enough for game night or a family dinner. Unlike smaller models that overcrowd and undercook, this powerhouse delivers even crispiness every time. 5 versatile functions: air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. Let you swap from juicy chicken to crispy kale chips with a tap. Reaching 400 degrees Fahrenheit and packing 1750 watts, it cooks faster and more evenly than many competitors. Plus, dishwasher-safe parts and a built-in recipe guide make cleanup and inspiration effortless. Just note, its robust build takes up counter space, so measure first. But for flavor, speed, and versatility, this great powerhouse earns its spot. Thanks for watching Best Budget Air Fryer. See the description for links, details, and the best prices.